Question says, if length of pendulum is increased by 6%, then its time period will be increased by A 6%, B under root 6%, C 3%, D 1.5%. Is the time period of pendulum is calculated by using formula T is equal to 2 pi under root L upon G. So time periods is directly proportional to the under root of length, or we can also write it as time period is directly proportional to L power 1 upon 2. To calculate the percentage, this formula will become as percentage change in time periods is equal to 1 upon 2 into percentage in length. So percentage in time periods will be equal to 1 upon 2 into percentage in length is obtained as 6%. So percentage in time period will be, the table of 2 on 2 is 1 times and on 6 is 3 times. So it will be obtained as 3%. So the correct option will be C 3%.